Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create effects for your navigation bar. But first, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss a new video. The first effect that we're going to add is making the navigation bar stick to the top of your screen even when you scroll. To do this, we're just going to add 3 pieces of code to the CSS file. The first piece of code makes the navigation bar stay fixed. The second piece of code makes the bar stick to the top, since there's no space between the top and the bar as indicated by this 0. The width is 100% to cover the whole screen with the navigation bar at the top. I'll show you on the browser. So first we have our navigation bar here, and if we refresh the page, it comes to the top, and when we scroll, it stays there. Another similar idea to this is creating a sticky navigation bar. This works best if you have a navigation bar under the hero image. When you scroll up, the bar will get stuck to the top of the web page. To create this effect, we're going to add 3 pieces of code to the UL class. The first and second piece of code essentially just make the bar stick to the top of the page. The first piece of code is just to make this work in the Safari browser. Again, the top 0 just makes the bar stick to the top specifically. I'll show you in the browser. As you can see, it sticks to the top. Thirdly, we can make the navigation bar active. This means that the section of the nav bar that you are on will be a different color than the section surrounding it. To do this, we're just going to create a new class called Active and make the background color different. Since we're on the home page, the home button lights up. Next, we can also make the links in the navigation bar scroll to a certain part of the same web page. To do this, you just make the href whatever name you want it to be, with a hashtag in front of it. Then, you go to a section of the page and at the top, put section ID and then the name in quotations. At the end of the section, you just end it with an end tag. That's all for today. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a vertical navigation bar. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial, and check out the next tutorial to learn more.